Okay, the book we're going to read today is called Camping, and this is a 2G book, and so there should be some words in here that you recognize from our power words. So let's get started. Camping. Let's put up the tent. Come, put up the tent. We'll put up the tent. Then we can play in it. Now we can play. Here comes the pillows. Here come the blankets. Here come the dolls. Here come some bananas and apples. Here are some books. Put it all in here. This will be fun. Now what? This is fun. So our power words are fun, then, some, now, will, put, play. All right, so what I want you to do now is you are going to go to your ARC bookshelf or either your bag of Ziploc bags or your Ziploc books, and I want you to set a timer on your iPad for 10 minutes, and I want you to either read books in the ARC bookshelf or in your Ziploc bag.